Hi everybody. I hope that you're enjoying the Natrience skincare line as much as I am. I've heard a lot of great things, and here at Corbett we decided to put together a skincare and share demo kit for you to make it easier for you to share the skincare that you love with the people that you love. This is what you'll receive. This is what's inside. Now we're going to go over one by one each of the items. So this kit was designed for you to have up to 10 people at a time to educate them on the Natrience line. So first we have these Natrience headbands. They're stretchy, they say Natrience, and they're pink. And those are to keep your guests' hair out of their face while they try all the wonderful Natrience products that you give them. And you will put that product in these palettes that are also Natrience branded. You can put each product in the little divots there so they have it right at their fingertip as you teach them and share with them. I also have Natrience branded mirrors for each person so they can watch and apply what they're doing and watch their skin come to life and glow. And then we have the Natrience plush washcloths so they can wash off the Pure Balance Jelly Cleanser after use. Again, there's 10 of each of these items. And then we also included these spatulas in the kit so that you can use this to get the rich cream out of the jar so you're not dipping your finger in there and making it unsanitary, contaminating the product. And then we have our blue light demo kit included in here as well. It has cards and petri dishes and instructions so that you can show how effective our skin dew is at blocking blue light. That's a pretty cool feature there. Then we have this very coveted Natrience tote bag that's branded on both sides. And inside has all of the literature that you will need. We have a 10-pack of the Natrience catalogs with all the product in there. We have the tear charts with the regimens on it so you can make it really easy for your guests to learn how to use the products depending on their specific skincare needs. So we have the essentials, we have the brightening regimen, and then on the back of each one is the clarifying and the firming regimens. So you can help them decide which one is best for them. And then we have the 10-pack of the user's guide. So benefits and key ingredients in this to really educate yourself, and your guests can educate themselves as much as they would like as well. So that is everything in our demo kit. We hope that you have as much fun with it as we have had putting it together for you.
Natrience, the alliance of nature and science.